So now it's 10:30. I've put my kids to bed. I've showered them. Let me put off this thing that is playing here. So I'll put the kids to bed. I've showered them. I just want to give you a quick rundown of how the house looks like. They already picked. They did their best. They still have some around. This is how the house is looking like, the living area, and this is how the dining area is looking like. Okay, and this is how the kitchen area is looking like, because today I was like, I'm not cleaning anything. So, but I always like to just, I always try to keep the house clean before I go to bed, so that when I wake up in a very clean house. So clean with me this PM. I'll start from the living to the kitchen.